Welcome to the lesson on computer integrated manufacturing. Upon completion of this lesson, learners will be able to describe computer integrated manufacturing, including its challenges and applications. Computer integrated manufacturing, or CIM, is a manufacturing approach that uses computer systems to control the entire production process. This method is good for highly automated and standardized production processes, such as mass production systems. Think of CIM as an important predecessor to Industry 4.0, like how a basic computer network evolved into today's internet. CIM provided the initial framework for computerized manufacturing that Industry 4.0 has expanded with advanced technologies and connectivity. CIM primarily connects various manufacturing processes through computer control, incorporating elements like computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, and automated manufacturing systems. While CIM improves production efficiency, it operates alongside other critical systems such as Enterprise Resource Planning, abbreviated as ERP, Manufacturing Execution Systems, abbreviated as MES, and Product Lifecycle Management, abbreviated as PLM, to support the overall manufacturing environment. CIM's main strength lies in its ability to create a digital bridge between design and production, enabling more precise and automated manufacturing processes. The implementation of CIM faces several challenges in manufacturing environments. One major obstacle is the integration of diverse machinery from different suppliers, each with its own unique operational methods and protocols. Another critical challenge lies in maintaining data reliability and consistency, particularly when multiple users are simultaneously accessing and modifying information within the system. The overall effectiveness of CIM heavily relies on achieving proper coordination between various manufacturing components while ensuring accurate data management across all operational aspects. The diagram here shows a production planning and control system's hierarchical flow of information and decision-making in a typical manufacturing organization. Starting at the strategic level, it incorporates market data and strategies into a strategic plan, which flows down to production planning for processing customer orders and managing proposals. The central system integrates key manufacturing components, including CAD, CAM systems, and technical specifications for design, material requirements and load calculations, performance metrics and capacity planning, production monitoring systems, and timing decisions for production and purchasing. The Computer-Based Production Information Control, or PIC database, acts as the central hub, managing all production data. The system ends at the production system level, combining quality performance, methods, and monitoring to create final products. This approach coordinates all production aspects through systematic, data-driven processes. Computer-integrated manufacturing plays a vital role in electric vehicle production by connecting various manufacturing systems and processes. The integration begins with design and testing through digital product development for battery simulation and motor modeling. Automated manufacturing utilizes robotic systems for battery cell welding and final assembly. Materials and supply chain management ensures efficient tracking of battery materials through just-in-time component delivery. Process control systems provide real-time production monitoring and performance verification across assembly lines. Data integration connects design, production, and testing information across platforms to create a seamless manufacturing ecosystem. This integrated approach enables EV manufacturers to maintain high-quality standards while optimizing production efficiency. In summary, computer-integrated manufacturing is a manufacturing support system that includes the complete automation of manufacturing procedures. The best results of this system occur when it controls the entire manufacturing company holistically. The computer system monitors the retrieval of supplies and controls the production planning and flow. It is important to make sure that the data that the CIM system is using is reliable and consistent to have the best production efficiency. Thank you.